Yeah,
Can you
it's
explain
sulfur.
what you're doing, Jay?
Well, we're hooking the fuses up to the launcher, and the fuses are what ignite the engine inside, the little black powder. And so when the kids push the button, it sends an electric signal or electric charge essentially to the wires and into the little thing, and it causes
Sets off the engine?
Yeah, sets off the engine.
Oh, cool.
And that's Noah's rocket.
Did you just record all that?
I am, because I think Mr. Kurtz wants to put it on his Twitter site.
That's Noah's rocket.
Here, buddy.
That's the
You're gonna be number one.
Skyrider.
Okay?
Oh, no,
Right
right,
here. You're number one, okay? So you can go tell them.
You are number 5.
I'm number 1.
You're
You're going to be number 3.
You flip the switch and then you push the button. Once one starts, then 2 goes, then 3 goes, then 4 goes, right after each other, okay? You just keep going right after each other.
Okay, wait. You need to come back here. You're not.
Flip the switch and then push the button. That's all you gotta do, okay? So who's number 1? Okay? Everybody got their number? Know their number?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Riley, you're first.
Number 1, go.
I'm never going to
Okay,
catch him in the
2.
air.
Go. 3. Oh, yeah.
Here's
4.
Colby.
Go. 6. Go. All right, guys.
Way up there.